Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Birod and today's date 12th November 2022. Today we will discuss about what is the difference between constructors and methods in Java. As we know, Java will strictly follow the object-oriented programming concept in which it contains variables and a method must be present in the class. The Java class contains both the constructor and the methods. Before we understand the difference between constructor and methods, let's see what is an constructor and what is a method. First one we discuss what is an constructor. In a Java constructor, which is a block of code which similar to the method, and it is called when an instance of class which create at the timing of calling constructor. The memory for an object which allocated to the memory location. It is an special types of method which is used to initialize an object. The new keyword which is plays important roles to creating an instance of class. Now we see what is an methods in Java. So method which is a block of code which used for performing particular task, and it is reduce the length and repetitive codes, and it may or may not return a value of a callers. By creating methods, we can reuse the code without retyping the code. Now we will see what is an difference between constructors and the methods. So first one, the constructor, which is a block of code which initialize at the time of creating new object of a class, which is known as constructor. And in method which is block of code that perform specific task which or without returning the methods the value for a callers is called methods. The second is it is mainly used for initialize an object, and a method which is used for reuse the code without retyping the code. Third one is in a constructor the new keyword which is used which is play the important roles for creating an instance of class, and in method the method call which is responsible for creating an methods. Fourth one, the subclass cannot be inherit permanent class parent class in a constructor, and in method subclass which inherit the parent class. Next one is the constructor which name always same as the class name, and in a method which use any name of a method, but it is always start from lowercase letter. Next is constructor has no return type. It can or cannot return any value to the callers, but in method in which it is return value. Here all about the constructors and methods in a Java. Thank you.